In April 2024, Jim Lister and Mark Smith continued their diving activities in Fridge Door Cave. Going in through the boob tube entrance, Site 5000, allowed them to reach the new Sump 4 in less than an hour. Over 7 trips, the pair pushed upstream, north from Sump 4 through to Sump 9. GoPro video, from a helmet-mounted camera, was not recorded on every trip, but the following edited sequences show the muddy conditions as the pair progressed upstream or returned through the sumps. The passages were surveyed up to the start of Sump 8. The sketch to Sump 9 is from memory. Two leads were of interest at the upstream end of Sump 4, a climb up a muddy slope to the south, and a low tube through which water could be heard falling. The latter required some aqueous digging.
I bet you don't get this in the Dudoid. Where's the... I can hear water as well. There. Yeah, I could hear it through the wood. We can't put it down to the left. Yeah. That way you can dig it out again. Yeah. Tough question. Yeah. Why should we digging that out? Because you put 2-foot holes in for us. Have a quick look out there and confirm it doesn't go anywhere. No. You don't want to. Feel wedged. Yeah, also. Thank you. Doesn't look good. Not looking promising. Very tight narrow rift going up. Sorry? Very tight narrow rift going up, which is not worth bothering with.
You okay?
Yeah.
So yeah, I went through the skis.
Watch out, side shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah, go on.
Are you up there still?
I'm above you, yeah.
Yeah, it's like on my head.
Yeah.
Ow!
That wasn't me. The bank's giving way.
Sorry?
The bank is giving way.
Well, my what is?
The bank. The mud bank.
Okay, my light just flashed.
Yeah.
So how many batteries have I got there?
I don't know. Lift it up again, I can't see. It's got a bit of moisture in actually. I'm going to drag some of this back.
I was putting it to the left.
Yeah.
The big space on the left that we're not
Yeah.
going to go through.
Yeah.
It's literally trying to get the stuff. See where there's a rock pendant as well?
Yes.
It's getting the mud out from there and putting it to the left.
Yeah, so good on it. Well, I feel happier going through the space as the water rises.
And this looks alright.
Yeah, it gets bigger, doesn't it? Right, thank you.
That's a stream, right? Not a very
Yeah.
big one, but you never know there. Yeah, there's a flowing water head here.
Yeah, lovely.
Walking past it.
Yeah,
Yay! Yeah.
yeah.
That's it. Well, at least you found something now.
Yeah. Back in the game again.
You go ahead now, you can have a go. Yeah, it's still goes.
Yeah, yeah.
Go on, let's
Cheers. Cheers, mate. Sumps again.
Oh, bollocks.
Crystal clear. Hang on. No, I think it's a duck. Something feel. Just give me a check. Not too good.
What's that like?
Not good.
Eh?
Not good.
What do you mean not good?
It just feels like it closes down. Is there anything back up there that way?
You mean up there?
Yeah.
No, I mean, looks as though it goes to a, like that big a gap and a wall
Yeah.
through a diggable squeeze.
So there's sump there, but it closes down, feeling the legs.
I'm sure it doesn't close down.
Well, water's coming from somewhere, isn't it? But why don't I nip and get a single cylinder and a mask with a dive line and just have a proper look?
Okay.
And then turn your light off and then save it. And then we can...
No, well, I mean, I agree. The dives are only, the dive gear is only 5 minutes away.
yeah,
So I think, yeah, I'll help you carry the dive gear.
yeah. One cylinder do it.
We'll take two if you want.
After diving through Sump 5, the passage opened up, with sandy chamber up to the east.
Just take nice and steady.
Yes.
Hey. Yeah, well, streamway, big stonking streamway coming from the left, and then it looks like a dry passage, two passages coming from right. So yeah, so it looks like it goes back into the streamway. It's a nice style. Yeah, it's just an alcove. Go. Yeah, go and have a look. Yeah, look. Small. Nice little chamber. It's nice to be into some reasonable size stuff.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. I think you're right. Some again. Boom. I don't go any further because I've got a screw or sump. Yeah, a nice looking sump. If you want to dive that, I don't screw the water up.
Sure, sir. I mean, that last one wasn't built up. There's 3 meters as well.
Yeah, well, if you're sure, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going to get together.
Yeah, sounds good to me.
The stream to the north of Sandy Chamber emerged from the short sumps 6 and 7. A dry bypass to Sump 7 took the divers up and down to Sump 8.
Just on your left, climb up the slope. Be careful of the stone. Isn't it empty? It's still going. Right. I did see 2 side passages, so maybe it's just an oxbow.
Yeah.
Road to nowhere. Oh well. Oh yeah, silk screw. Oh, at least it got rid of one sump.
Is it worth going to look?
Go and have a look, yeah. There's something above us. I'm going to drop down a bit. I almost turned round here and I thought, well, let's just double check It's basically it.
That's the sump, isn't it?
Yeah, it goes down on the left, and then it surfaces in an air bell about 2 metres in. But also, I wouldn't bother surfacing there because it just keeps on going down.
Yeah.
And it's going in that direction, and then it basically forms a tube, nice sized tube, and I've lost the way on. Oh, stalagmite, some hematites. Oh. South Wales hasn't got the best ones. Title there, couldn't we?
Why not? I think anyway, it's not going to slide at all.
Yep, there's been lots of bad things.
That's the sump, is it?
Yep. That one, and then that's right.
Good luck.
Sump 8 is not a nice sump, as this sketch on the tackle store whiteboard shows. Dropping and rising steeply on both sides, the muddy base slumps in, so the divers have had to dig themselves into and out of the sump.
goes left. Boom. No, it peters out. It's a long way. About 8 metres, 9 metres, yeah.
You never know what one of those things can be a bypass to the next sump.
Exactly. You are going to big mature stuff above.
You've got the case removal, that one.
Yes, one's been in before. Okay. Yeah, sound. Right. Yep, okay. That's it, isn't it, really?
Yep.
Yeah, so,
Pop an open sump.
yeah, pop open sump, which is,
Sump 9,
yeah,
isn't it?
yeah. So you've got this bit to survey,
That
and then the bits that we've just,
bit of the sump and then the bit of water. Where are we now?
we're here.
Yeah.
So going with on your right,
Yeah.
then you cross over that silt screw, and that silt screw, and then keep on, then it's on your right hand side there.
Yeah. Okay.
So basically got a chicane,
Yeah. Okay.
which is not ideal, crossing a line, it's
Well,
horrible.
we'll leave the line there this time. So.
Yes. It'd be a bit like the traditional cave diving group saying of what was the visibility like, and the reply being saying, I don't know, I couldn't see. I've given up on visibility. Doesn't matter what sort of trendy fin strokes you use for that, you're not going to preserve it, are you?
No. Nobody has to dig your way through them.
On the last trip to this area, they couldn't get through Sump 8 to dive Sump 9. The intention is to excavate a route through on the next exploration. On later trips, the pair explored an excavated route into the well-decorated Cockwomble chamber.
Loads of helictites here, particularly in the back. They're crowded out by the stalactites, but they're really quite impressive. There's some columns down there, just at the bottom. There's another passageway going off behind it, which we're going to go and explore. They seem to be going in lots of different directions, which probably means it's not a constant airflow through the cave, which suggests that it's not a main passage.
A higher level blocked crawl to the west was also worked at.
I've got to make, I can shift that. Right, just how I slide it. Just be careful your toes. Get it down. Yeah. Okay. Got it. Slide it down here. Just a second. This one like this one.
The final Sump 9 lies under the farm buildings on the main road down into Riaño, just opposite the turnoff for Garthon.